Welcome to another mathematics class. Today we'll be talking about subtraction of money. Subtraction of what? Money. Do not forget that subtraction means taking away. So you're given 500 naira and your mom tell you, take this 500 naira, buy biscuit 200 naira. How much will be the change you give her? So that will be 300 naira. 500 naira minus 200 naira is 300 naira. 1000 naira minus 500 naira will give you what? 500 naira. 100 naira minus 50 naira, it will give you what? 100 naira, buy something worth 50 naira. So your change will be how much? 50 naira. That's right. 500 naira minus 15 naira. 50 naira is little, right? 500 naira minus 50 naira, that will be how much? Your change will be how much? You were given 500 naira, you bought something worth 50 naira. So how much will be your change? 450 naira. It's practice time. Now let me know how far you've gone about learning this subtraction of money. So you're given 100 naira and you're told to spend 20 naira. So subtract 20 naira from 100 naira. How much will be your change? So 500 naira minus 200 naira. Subtract 200 naira from 500. So how much will be your change? So let me know in the comment section. I hope you've learned about subtraction of money and you don't do mistake with collecting your change whenever you buy something. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.